How to put two videos on one screen in CapCut. If you're editing in CapCut and want to have two videos play side by side at the same time, here's how you can do it. First, open CapCut, tap New Project, select a video, and hit Add. Now that your first video is in the timeline, you need to add the second one. Before that, swipe over and tap Ratio to choose the aspect ratio that fits your project. For example, if you're posting on TikTok, select that option. You can adjust the video's position by pinching and dragging with your fingers. Once it's set, tap the check mark to confirm. Next, tap on your video, go to the overlay option at the bottom and select Add Overlay. Choose a different video and tap Add. Now you can move and resize this second video however you like, so both play on the same screen. If you're working with a 16:9 aspect ratio, such as for YouTube, you can freely adjust the positioning to fit your needs. You're not limited to just two videos. You can keep adding more overlays to have 3, 4, or even more clips on the same screen. Just tap on each one to adjust their placement. If one video starts too early, simply drag it to the beginning so both clips play in sync. Once everything is set, hit play, and your videos will run together on one screen. That's it. Now you know how to display multiple videos at once in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.